Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Docker containers, a powerful tool for software development and deployment. If you're new to Docker or looking to enhance your skills, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Main content. So, what exactly are Docker containers? Think of them as lightweight, standalone, and executable packages that contain everything needed to run a piece of software, including code, libraries, dependencies, and configurations. Docker containers are designed to be portable and consistent across different environments, making it easier to develop, ship, and run applications. One of the key benefits of using Docker containers is their efficiency. Unlike traditional virtual machines, Docker containers share the host system's kernel, which means they consume fewer resources and can be spun up and down quickly. This makes them ideal for microservices architecture and scaling applications. Creating a Docker container is simple. You start by writing a Docker file, which defines the environment and instructions for building the container. Then you use the Docker CLI to build the image and run it as a container. With Docker Hub, a cloud-based registry service, you can easily share and discover container images created by the community. Docker also provides networking and storage solutions to connect containers and manage data persistence. By using Docker Compose, you can define multi-container applications in a single file, making it easier to orchestrate complex setups. Conclusion. In conclusion, Docker containers offer a streamlined way to package, distribute, and run applications with consistency and efficiency. Whether you're a developer, a system administrator, or anyone working in the tech industry, understanding Docker containers is a valuable skill to have in your toolkit. I hope this introduction to Docker containers has been helpful and insightful. If you want to learn more about Docker and other tech topics, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Call to action. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment below on what topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.